Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make football shorts for TikTok or YouTube without getting hit by copyright. First, open YouTube and search for a full football match or highlight video. Make sure it's a longer landscape video. Once you find one that looks good, tap on the Share button and copy the video link. Next, we need to download that video to your phone. I personally use an app called Black Hole to download YouTube videos. Just paste the link into Black Hole and it'll start downloading the video for you. Once your video is saved to your phone, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the football video you just downloaded. Now, trim the clip to select the exact moment you want to turn into a short. Keep it interesting and under 60 seconds. After trimming, go to Auto Frame in CapCut. This feature will help automatically adjust the video to focus on the action, making it perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Then, go to Aspect Ratio and change it to 9:16. That's the vertical format used by TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Do any final adjustments, and once everything looks good, tap Export. Now your football short is ready to upload. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.